Hey Yoshi, I got a surprise for you. Want to know what it is?
Yes?
Give a surprise.
Oh, please don't. I'll call my mommy on the telephone.
It's too late for that. Ching!
Yoshi's the Goomba and he is angry.
Ah! I don't like Goombas. I'm scared of them.
Ah! Yoshi the Goomba is very angry. Bob.
Huh? What's going on?
My glasses. Goomba thinks he looks fancy.
Oof! Oh, what's going on?
Goomba even more angry than before.
Alright, give me back the glasses. Ah!
My foot is way bigger than before.
Don't squish me. Oh no, my wand.
Yoshi Goomba squish Kamek.
Ouchie, mama.
Yay, the wand made my foot back normal.
My wand.
It worked.
Hey, why did you use my wand to turn yourself back into Yoshi? I'm running away.
Hi, Toad. What's wrong?
Help!
Toad. Toad, watch this. Boom.
Ah!
Mommy! Yoshi scared Kamek for once. Yay! Good on you, Yoshi. Ta